How to mute original audio in Reelshot. Want to remove background sounds or voices? Here's how to mute original audio in Reelshot on your iPhone. First, open your video project and tap the clip on the timeline. Tap the audio or volume button in the toolbar. Drag the volume slider all the way down to mute the original sound completely. You can now add music or voiceovers without overlapping audio. Save your changes once done. Do you often mute original audio or leave it in? Let us know in the comments below. Use mute for clean background audio before adding music or narration. And that's how you can mute original audio in Reelshot. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.